Hello, my name is Deion Chavez, and today we're going to be talking about the Bollinger Band. Yes, this is an indicator used in the trading world, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to use it so you guys can make money. There are many indicators ranging from the stochastic RSI to the RSI to the MACD, and here we have the Bollinger Band. Yes guys, the Bollinger Band is one of my favorite indicators to use when trading on the FOREX, cryptocurrency, and stock market, guys. With that being said, today I'm going to introduce you to the Bollinger Band and show you guys how you can make money using the Bollinger Band. There are 3 ways. With that being said, let's get right into the video. Some of you guys may or may not know, but the Bollinger Band is used as an indicator in the trading world. It can be used in the foreign exchange. It can be used in the stock market, cryptocurrency, even HFX. This is a great way to indicate whether to go in for a buy or a sell. So we're going to get right into it. I'm going to explain in detail how to use it in 3 ways you guys can make money. Okay. So we're going to look at the Chef JPY pair, as you guys can see right here. We're using the candlesticks, and with these 2 lines, you see the red line on each side. This basically tells you the candlesticks lies in between these 2 lines 90% of the time. As you guys can see, it rarely goes out of the line. Well, if we know this, then we know when to go for a buy or a sell. For example, let's look at this right here. As you can see, it was going for a sell, then it touched the line. As you can see right here, it touched the line and passed the red line. And what that means is eventually it's going to have to go back up for a buy, because remember, the candlesticks lies 90% of the time between the 2 lines. As you guys can see right here, once it touched the line or passed the line, I would have got in for a buy. That's a great indication right here. As you guys can see, it ended up going for a buy there. So that is one way. Another one we can look at is right here. Okay guys, we're going to look at this for another example. As you guys can see right here, clearly it passed the red line and it was going for a buy, as you can see clearly. And as soon as it touched the line and passed it a little bit, it went for a sell, as you guys can see right here. Meaning, if it passes the line right here above, that means it has to go for a sell. So I would have eventually gone for a sell, and as you guys can see later on, it went for a sell. That is another way to make money. So right here, as you guys can clearly see, that's another way. This is the average moving line. It can also be used as a resistance or support, depending. So if you're looking at this side, it can be used as a resistance. As you guys can see, it touched the line right here and then eventually went for a buy. And then this became the resistance. So once it hit this line right here, the middle white line, it went back for a sell, as you guys can see. That's another way to make money. That's 3 ways. You can make money from it hitting right here, this line up top, or you can make money from hitting it this line for a buy, as you guys can see, or from this line, the middle line. What you don't want to do and what you want to look out for is when the 2 lines are very slim. As you guys can see right here, that means it's consolidating. So eventually, that means over time, it will go for a buy or a sell. As you guys can see later on, it went for a sell. So if it looks like this, be careful. Do not go in for a trade, because it is very risky. You don't know what's going to happen. It's consolidating. So what you want to look for is a Bollinger Band that's like this wide, where there's a lot of space for it. You guys can see, look at this right here. Right now it's consolidating. So I would not go in for any trades. I would just wait and let it play out. That is one thing you guys have to look out for in a Bollinger Band. But guys, there are many ways you can make money using the indicator the Bollinger Band right here. As you guys can see, I showed you 3 ways. You can use the white line as a resistance or support. You can also use the top Bollinger Band, the bottom Bollinger Band for great indications. And then I told you what to look out for, which is this right here. When it starts consolidating, when the 2 lines are very slim, what you want to go in for is sooner or later it is going to go for a buy. So when you are going in for trades, make sure you go for longer trades because it may take some time. That is why I love when the Bollinger Bands are wide. When the Bollinger Bands are wide, that means it's a great indication that it will sooner or later go in for a buy. Let's just say, for example, it was slim. The Bollinger Bands were slim like this. Well, that is very risky because it's consolidating, meaning that there's not a lot of movement, and that's not a great way to trade, going for a buy or sell, because at any moment it can switch. So what do you do when it's consolidating or when the Bollinger Bands are very slim? Well, all you do is be patient and wait. That's part of the game. That is part of the trading game, guys. Waiting, being patient, and knowing when to go in for trades. And those are the 3 ways you guys can make money using the Bollinger Band, guys. I hope this was very informative and you guys learned a lot about the Bollinger Band. That said, let me know in the comments what you guys think. Have you guys used it? And if you have any questions, follow me on Instagram, DC_flight421. And with that being said, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn the post notifications if you enjoyed the video. And see you guys in the next video. Peace.